Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever accidentally ended a call by pressing the power button? This happens because some phones have a setting that lets the power button end calls. It can be confusing, especially if you are used to locking the screen during calls. Let me show you exactly how to fix it. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and look for accessibility. On some phones, it might be inside additional settings or system settings. Open accessibility, then tap on physical at the top. Here, you will see an option called Power Button Ends Call. It might look different on your phone. For example, some phones call it Call End with Power Button, Interaction Controls, or other accessibility options. Simply toggle it off. Now, your calls will not end when you press the power button. You can safely lock your screen or turn off the display without worrying about dropping your call. This small change makes a big difference, especially if you use your phone for long calls or video calls. Try this now, and you will see how easy it is to avoid accidental call drops. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone fixes and tips.